Tired of overpaying on Joyabuy? Let's unlock the secrets to finding working coupon codes that will save you serious cash. First up, dive into the world of coupon websites. Sites like Retailmanat, Couponcabin, and Honey are treasure troves. Simply search for Joyabuy and browse the available codes. Pay close attention to the expiration dates and terms and conditions. A seemingly great code might be expired or only apply to specific products. Next, subscribe to the Joyabuy Newsletter. Companies often reward subscribers with exclusive discounts and early access to sales events. It's a simple way to have coupons delivered straight to your inbox. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Follow Joyabuy on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. They frequently post exclusive deals and coupon codes to engage with their followers. And remember, not all codes work. Test them thoroughly at checkout. Start with the highest discount first, then work your way down the list. That's it. By using these strategies, you'll be finding working Joyabuy coupons in no time. Happy shopping and enjoy the savings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.